Namaste. Greetings from Coorg Public School. Coorg is literally in the lap of nature. We enjoy the closeness, the serenity, the real beauty of nature. But the changing climatic conditions are definitely impacting this abode. We are not different at all. Every year we celebrate 5th June as World Environment Day. Do you know why it is celebrated? It is celebrated to create awareness, to encourage people to protect the environment that we all are living in. World Environment Day, when we think about that theme, we need to understand one common factor, that this environment is a common place that we share. The question is, do we really care for our environment? The answer to that question is a big no to a large extent. But when we say a big no, I am not convinced that anyone will deliberately destroy the environment. We are actually ignorant about the way that we are using freely available things from the nature. For example, COVID-19 taught us the need for cleanliness, the value of oxygen, which we freely enjoy from the nature. Whatever we are enjoying freely from the nature, we must see that we recircle. The theme of this year's World Environment Day is the 3 R's. Reimagine, recreate, and restore. This year, UN is going to begin the decade-long environment or ecosystem restoration program. COPS, in its humble and simple way, are taking this theme forward. From last year, we started a few projects when we could open the school physically. And some of those projects I want to show it to you. I'm sure my students are practicing these things at their homes now. Come, let's see. Come, let's see. Last year, our Eco Club initiated this pipe composting program. It is nothing complicated. The waste pipes are always available at home. You can take 1 or 2 of those pipes, make it stand like this, and fill the biodegradable waste into it. And in the different levels, you can fill it and fill soil also in the middle. And you leave it for 30 days, and you can see that after that you will have very good manure. This is nothing but giving back to the nature what we are extracting from her. We need to restore the nature that is around us. If we do not do this, if we do not care for our nature, definitely we are going to witness many more pandemics in the future. So therefore, whoever is listening to me, let's, on this special day of restoring our ecosystem, take a pledge that we will nurture our nature. Thank you.
Good morning, everybody. Well, my name is Prachodaya. Today, I'm going to talk about benefits of Tulsi. Tulsi is called the queen of herbs. It is rich in vitamin C and zinc. It is a natural immunity booster. It reduces stress, cough, cold, and blood pressure.
Hello everyone, I am Beha of Standard 6. Medicinal plants are simply magical. My power plant is the aloe vera. It is used for health, beauty, skin and medicine too. Its fleshy leaves bear the magic gel that does wonders for our system, not only externally but internally too, as it contains 75 active constituents. Aloe vera, I believe, is my friend in medicinal terms, as that is the only thing that I have been using since a child. Thank you.
We cannot force someone to hear a message they not able to receive, but we must not underestimate the power of learning the